Now I will discuss a very important topic, that is actually the storage link. This is actually a command that I will use now, and using this command you can easily create a symbolic link between the public directory and the storage directory. You know that now after my previous lectures that we can easily upload any file into public folder and into a storage folder. I have shown you how to upload files into the public folder. I also showed you how to upload any file into the storage folder. Now I am going to do one thing. I am going to remove this one so that you can understand. Okay, so this is the by default stage. Storage app public, there is nothing, and here is public, there is nothing. Now the main thing is how you can get access the items that you uploaded into the storage folder. As a storage folder cannot be publicly accessed, so I will have to create a way so that you can easily access that from the public. For example, there are many files in the storage folder. Some are important files, some are not very important files, some are secured files. For example, you want that some files are secured and you do not want the public to access it, but there are some files into the storage folder that can be accessed from the public and there is no problem at all. So for those files that is needed to be accessed from the public that are into the storage folder, how you can do that? In order to complete this task, what I will do, I will just create a symbolic link. So in order to do that, I am going to the terminal and just run a command, that is php artisan then storage link, enter. You see that the public storage link has been connected to storage app public. You have to understand it. You see that there are two changes. Actually one change is you see now, but there is another change, it will be happen. But you see that I will upload my files into the public folder. For example, here you see that a folder created into my main public folder, that is public storage folder. What will be happen when I will create anything into the storage app public? Here automatically a symbolic link will be created and you will see the file into a storage folder here. But actually what will be happen if you delete anything from storage from the public, that will be also be deleted. So how you can do that, I am going to show you. By default my upload items will be uploaded into the uploads, that means actually into the public, right? I am now going to upload an image so that you can understand. I am going to upload an image. For example, this is a car photo. I am going to open and then click on submit. What is happened? See that a uploads folder created into the storage. You already know about this, right? And here is new image, because I tell that it will be uploaded in this location. A storage means it will be stored into here. So this is very clear, and uploads, as my file system disk is now public, so it will automatically go into the public folder. So into the public folder, this uploads folder is created and my photo is there. This is my photo. But you see that in the same time another changes happened. So what is that another change? That another change is, you see that into the public folder there is an uploads folder and new image. Carefully see it. This is public folder and this is storage folder. I created this photo here, and here you see an instance of that photo, that is new image. You see that both images are same. This image and this image both are same, but location is different. If you change for any reason the photo of the storage folder, the photo of this public storage uploads, this one will automatically be changed. That means if I now upload another photo, that is for example this one, open, submit, you will see that here is this new photo, and into the public this photo, this also has been changed. Now in order to access our photos, I will use this location, that is public folder, our main public. And in order to do that, for example, when I am going to upload a photo, it will come to the top, uploaded photo, and here I am going to use a div and then an img tag, and here I am going to give here style equal to wide, for example 300 pixel, and here there is a src. In order to show anything into a folder, I will have to use here an asset. Remember that. What is the task of asset? This is the bullet syntax, right? Double curly brace, and here I will use a function that is asset. That means this asset file actually refers to my public folder. So here into the public folder there is a storage, so here I can use here storage, and my photo is into the uploads folder. You can give here the uploads folder, and then you can try to access new image.jpg. So that photo will be shown here. Let's check. Yes, the photo is showing here. Now I am going to change the photo again. For example, this photo, submit, it is changed. This photo is showing in front of you from the public, but actually the location is not here. The location is actually storage here. It is first going here to be uploaded, then an instance is creating here like this. Now for any reason, if you manually want to delete the photo, for example, in my application there is a folder storage, and from the storage it is into the app, public, uploads, new photo, right? This is my photo. If I manually delete the photo from here, carefully see it. If I remove from here, what will be happen? You see that from the public that is removed also. I removed from here, right? But you see that from the public the photo is also gone. So this is actually the sim link or the symbolic link that I created to access the items or the files that are stored into the secured storage folder. But if your application has actually no secret folder, nothing is needed to keep secret in front of user, then you can just use the public folder to upload your photos using the move function that you already know. So it actually depends on how you will use your application and what are your application about. Everything will depend on it. So thank you for seeing this video.